Code C, part 2 of 9. Wall. Create a new file. Select model template. Units millimeter. Enter the name. Wall. Click OK. Create a sketch. Now we are going to revolve our wall. Select the plane. YZ plane. Click OK. Select profile tool. Start from the origin. Enter the distance 329 mm. Length angle 90 degree. Enter 10 mm length angle 0 degree. Enter 315 mm length angle 270 degree. Enter 40 mm angle 0 degree. Escape. Select profile tool. Once again start from the origin. Enter 59 mm angle 0 degree and close the sketch. Enter 6 mm angle 90 degree and then close the sketch. This completes our profile. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. Select specify vector. Select line 1 of our sketch. Click OK. Hide our sketch. Now select thread. Select detailed thread. Select our cylinder. Select M20 into 2.5. Enter the thread length value 15 mm. Click OK. Now create a sketch. Select YZ plane. Click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 3 mm. Select intersection curve. Select this face. Click OK. Convert this to reference. Edit this dimension to 7.5 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Enter the distance 20 mm width. Select subtract from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes Code C part 2 of 9 wall.